How to recover deleted screenshots on Android. So if you want to recover deleted screenshots on your Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your albums or your gallery application. After opening, like for example, I'll just simply go and delete a video right here. After deleting, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. And you will have the settings option. You can go with settings. From here, you may have a restore option, or you can also go with the albums, which will be on the right side. And from the albums, we need to scroll down and tap on deleted items. Here you will have all of your deleted items. You can just simply go and select the item that you would like to restore and then go with restore, which will be on the bottom. If not, you can go back and then you may have Google Photos. If you have backed up your Google Photos, then you will have all of the photos and videos on your Google Photos application as well. If you don't find it on your Google Photos, then you can go with your profile, which will be in the top. From your profile, you need to scroll down and then you will have an option of trash, or go with collections, which will be on the bottom left. And here on the top right, as you can see, that you will find the trash icon. Tap on trash and you will have all of the videos that you've deleted. Just simply go and select the video and then restore. Or you can also go with your photos or screenshots as well. That's how you can recover your deleted screenshots on your Android. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.